Hey everyone, just yesterday we got our hands on the very first Space Invaders Cubed edition, licensed by Taiti Corporation Japan, and I'm about to make the short technical review. But first of all, I would like to say many thanks for our loyal backers for such long wait. It's not just the new color box or the new game. Based on statistics and feedback, tons of feedbacks actually from our customers, we made crucial structural electromechanical changes, not just for the cube itself, but also for charger, dock station, and even accessories. So let's get started. That's a brand new one, so I'm opening, and if something goes wrong, I'll be same upset as you are. So this is outer carton box with logos, Red Dot Award, STEM Award, Time Best Innovations, and lots of different awards. Okay, open here. So we have the greeting card with contacts, the cube itself, and accessories exclusively made for Space Invaders owners, Space Invaders version owners. Let's start from the accessories, and I left the cube for dessert. So in this box we have the fabric travel case, small one, with the exclusive blue color. You cannot buy it separately. It's exclusively for the Space Invaders owners. Inside it we have the fabric USB-C cable. We have charger and the European plug adapter, like this. We also have the silicone bracelets. Those are 10 silicone bracelets. Well, the cube is a toy, so you play it handy, and those silicone bracelets you stick on the corners, so the cube gonna look something like this. You still can play it, but it's way more durable and scratch protected. So 10 silicone bracelets. We also have the new charger, and we add small but very crucial thing here is this tiny switch, charge to store switch. In the charge mode, you obviously charge it. In the store mode, it completely off the cube, so you can store the cube without draining the battery for months. And of course, it fits to the fabric case, so you can store it there, take it with you on the go, and don't worry about the draining of the battery. This switch is also resets the cube, completely reset. You won't lose your game statistics or game data, but if it's freeze, if something goes wrong, and it's obviously 8 autonomous computers working together, so something may goes wrong, you switch it and you completely reset the cube. Now, a little tweak for the new case. It looks the same, but it's actually have some small, like we call it, devil in the details. So if you put the cube, where is the cube? Okay, so if you put the cube without bracelets inside the case, it's fine. But if you, what if you stick those bracelets on it? It won't fit. No, it will fit. You just need to take away the insert inner part of the case, and then you can easily put the cube inside and close it. All right, so let's open the main box. Space Invaders Edition. On the very top of the box, you'll see the envelope with 50 cubic coin, $50 worth, gift card. The recovery tool, it's completely recover cube. If something goes wrong, you can find the manual here. The quick start guide. Cool. FCC regulations and this microfiber cloth with WowCube logos on it. All right, the cube taken away. So the cube itself fits there with a recycled carton. We do not have any plastic elements for the box. Everything there is from the carton, made from recycled materials, eco-friendly of course. So once you take it away, it turns on, and I won't make any review of the software and how it operation system and games right now. I'm just showing you the unboxing and packaging. So yeah, the cube itself here fits into the case with no problem. Next, we have one more charging dock station. You can put one near your fireplace at home and one in office. So anyway, you have two of them. Also with this tiny switch, we have way more things inside. So European adapter, inner sphere for the WowCube, just spare one. Now, USB-C cord, and we have this tiny screwdriver to change the tension of the WowCube, the way you change it for the speed cubing. So it perfectly works and no need to adjust anything, but in case you want, in case you play like very fast or esports, you need this to adjust the tension of the internal mechanism to make it more fit to you, to the way you play it. And the charger, of course, one more charger, just in case. So that's pretty much it. And the next video, I'll try to make a review of operation system and the new changes in games and ecosystem around the cube. Thank you.